To establish an organization, here there are so many methods, there are so many ways answer to establish an organization. About the intellectual properties, if we discuss, okay now. So about the property, if you take the word about the property, there are mainly two different types of properties are there. How many are there? Two different types of properties are there. One is the physical property. One is the physical property, that is a physical asset. Second one is the intellectual property. Physical property means you can see the property, you can touch the property. Okay, for example, if you take a penny, it is a physical property. If you take a land, it is a physical property. If you go to the machinery, it is an asset, a physical asset. You can see that, you can touch it. Is it right or not? You can enjoy the benefit from the particular asset. Enjoy the benefit from the particular asset means what? If you sell the asset, you can convert the asset into the cash. In terms of the money you want to discuss, is it right or not? Apart from this, there are intellectual properties also available. Then what is the meaning of intellectual property? Intellectual, the word means, intellectual means you are an intelligent student, is it right or not? You are an intelligent student. Which means what? You are having certain ideology. Your IQ level, is it right or not? So every person will have some intellectuality. With your ideas, if you create some concept, if you create some design, if you create, innovatively produce a product, right? That has come from the property, has come from your mind. Is it right or not? So that is your intellectual property. So IP is different from the IPR. What is IP? IP means intellectual property. IPR means intellectual property right. So many ideas you may get, so many thoughts you might get by getting your brain. Is it right or not? There is a chance to the other persons may copy your ideas. For sometimes you can face a problem that is, you might find some solution to the particular problem. If you disclose the solution to the other candidate, he may copy and he can project as he found the particular solution. Is it right or not? The what is happening? The one person tells your ideology, tells your solution, tells your intellectuality. Is it right or not? So for avoiding that problem, we should have a right to say that it is our property. Yes, for example, you have a land. To say that it is this land belongs to you. How do you say that? There is a registration office is there. You have to go and you have to register as a land or building or here. For example, you have a bike and machinery. You can say, if you tell that, whenever you buy the bike from the showroom, you immediately what you have to do? Within 1 month of the time, you should register your bike on your name compulsory. Otherwise, it might be there. Nobody can cross it. Everybody can have a chance to test it. Is it right or not? So whatever, in the same way, to avoid these problems in your intellectual properties, like to protect your ideology, to protect your solution, your intellectuality, there should be a right to you to say that is your intellectuality. How do you say? By getting a right from the intellectual property rights. So these intellectual property rights will be given by the certain office, that is World Intellectual Property Office. That is World Intellectual Property Office. Entire world. It is nationally body and established under the UNO, United Nations Organization. UNO. So the main headquarters located in Geneva. Of course, for India also, there is a patent office included. You can get the rights from the patent office. There is a certain procedure to get a certain patent rights. We want to fill the form with your ideology. So there is your complete ideology where you can keep. Either orally you can say, or otherwise what method you want to apply. Tell me, for example, you have an idea. You have one solution, you have an idea about one topic. Okay, now, how do you project your idea? Either through your particular topic.